Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Rusty with EXP and Banner Season, and I just wanted to do a quick video before I eat some food because we just every Monday at 5 o'clock we have it's like a coaching call basically, and ours was super long tonight, but it was really awesome. There was like so much information and such a great community that we have, and the reason I wanted to hop on is because we were talking about in September. It's interesting given the state of the world. The two business, propositions in which I am involved currently are uniquely situated, given that we can't be in front of anybody right now. And so my real estate company, which is EXP, is a virtual company. We were built as a virtual company, so moving to working from home was seamless because we were all already doing it. It's ironic too because my big fear in moving my license over, it's been about a year now, was that I was going to feel cut off because I'm working from home and not going to the office. I was an office guy for the last 10 years basically, and I've never felt more connected or plugged in. I have access to like our state broker. I can go into the world and get it, and like that's awesome. And our stock is ridiculously high right now. It's like over $50 a share, and it was a little under 8 or right about at 8 when I joined a year ago. So it's like an incredible, um, uh, I can't think of the word. It has appreciated incredibly. But the reason that I want to do this video is, and so Banner Season, which is this, it's a system that I've talked about a bunch on a bunch of these videos, and it is we do custom gifts and cards to be in touch with your customers, clients, patients, donors, friends, family, anybody, right? It's an amazing custom gifting and card service. Uh, in September, the CEO challenged us to double the size of the company, and with gold memberships. We have a couple different memberships. Gold is the one that most people are going to use if they're going to use the system because it gives you just huge discounts and well, let me go through it. It's 49 bucks a month, right? And for the gold membership, think of it like a Costco membership on steroids. So you get greeting cards are 50 cents. You get 25% off all gifts in the gift store, which are totally, just as an example, like we just added this. This is like a tumbler, right? And it's what's awesome is it's metal. Oh, so it's like super high quality. I put the EXP logo and then my name on it, but you can put anybody's name. You could put any kind of JPEG, PNG, any kind of what else is there? So like, we do these coffee mugs, and this is a photo from my phone that I took when I was in Austin last year, and then there's like some text, and so everything is completely customizable. It's amazing. So for 50 bucks, you get that. You get 25% off everything, all of our gifts, 30% off all of our design store items because we have a whole design store. If you are not artistic, you don't want to upload a design, it's amazing. You can just go into the store, you pick it, you buy it, you're done. Just like Amazon. Select the design, add to cart, select recipient, check out. It's really easy, right? We have the whole campaign store. So, most people in a business, they make the mistake of looking for new customers and ignoring their existing customers. So if you are a business owner, if you are a realtor, an accountant, a doctor, a dermatologist, an attorney, an actor, anybody, we tend to ignore the people who have already proven to us that they will buy from us. It's sort of silly. And so what this system allows you to do is show some love on your clients and your customers. It's amazing. So they challenged us in September to double the number of gold accounts that we had, and we did it. It was an awesome month, and we had huge growth. And the reward for that was every single gold account, whether it was existing already or all of the new accounts in October, get 50 free cards to send out. The great thing about that is there's basically no restrictions. The only restriction is they have to leave the warehouse during the month of October. But that's it. So you can send 50 cards to any of your past clients, any of your potential clients. If you're a realtor and you want to farm an area, you could pick 50 houses and drop them all a just listed card, or a hey, list with me card, or why rent when you can buy card, or and it's free. It's like literally free. You pay for postage, which I don't know, like 50 cents or something. And so, hi there, Ann Stone. Wasn't that such a good call? Oh, it was so, I look over here because my chat's over here. Um, yeah, it was like, I'll tell you, like I'm telling you, the two companies that I am part of right now are amazing. EXP on fire, and there is something happening there. And if you are curious and you want to know what it is, hit me up because uh, it's like next level ridiculous. The excitement and the business that people are doing and the money that people are making, it is fantastic. Banner season, same thing in a world where we are all dealing with everything that we are dealing with, and again, I say this all the time, it is not about left or right or, any of it. It's just the noise that we all have to deal with to get to be in an environment where our whole job is to say thank you to our customers, thank you to our clients. I appreciate you in my life. I am glad that you were in my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's amazing. So that's why I'm super excited about it. So, you should have a Banner Season account and you should reach out to me and let's get you all set up. It's $50 a month. I've had coffee dates that were more expensive than that with much less reward, let me tell you. Um, and it's an awesome way to say thanks to your customers and your clients. And the holidays are coming up. It's early October. It's time to. I know Canadian Thanksgiving is Monday. It's a week from today, actually. I think it's either it must be a week from today. Um, Second Monday in October. And then U.S. Thanksgiving, obviously, and the holidays and everything. So first of all, make sure you vote. Second of all, reach out to me and let's talk about banner season. Let's get you set up for holiday gift giving, holiday client appreciation, holiday employee appreciation. There are a lot of people, you're not going to be able to have a holiday party this year. How awesome would it be to send all of your customers, instead of spending all that money on booze and hangovers, why not take that money and send your clients or your customers or your employees, the people who have been showing up for you as a business owner during all of this craziness, whether it's been from home or they've been masking up and getting in the car, getting in the subway, public transportation, coming to the office every day, why not show them some love? Why not, don't buy liquor, send them a gift, send them personalized, customized gifts. It's amazing. So there's not going to be the holiday parties. Let's get you set up now so that as the holidays approach, it's one less thing that's already off your list. It's amazing. And as I said, October, 50 free cards. Can't beat it. So I'm going to do a video tomorrow. We have a gift. I've never seen it in person. It arrived today. It's in this big box, and I am not going to tell you what it is. I'm not going to unbox it. I'm not going to do anything until tomorrow. And at some point tomorrow, I'm going to do an unboxing video so that you can see what it is. But yeah, Team Banner Season, 100%. Team EXP, 100%. I have the best clients, the best customers, the best friends, the best family. It's amazing. And come and party with all of us because there is a party happening. Okay, I'm going to go eat some food. I hope everybody is staying safe and being healthy. And, go tell someone that you love them today. Thanks so much. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.